Okay, so we have WC over WH. So let's say we have along this axis WC over WH. Along this axis the number going to college out of some cohort. Maybe a steady state number. I like to think of this as the steady state number for the first look at the data. So steady state fraction of people college age who go to college. Okay. Now we have a demand function. Demand. This would be an economy-wide demand function for college graduates, and we're measuring it, we're looking now at the cost to firms, profit or non-profit, of using college labor. And one of the factors it'll depend upon will be the cost of college labor relative to high school labor, because they're substitutes to some extent. Okay, so the more higher the cost of college relative to high school labor, the lower the demand. So that would be one force making, major force making negative incline. Now the location of the demand curve will depend upon the amount of capital, of other capital in the economy, because studies show that human capital is complementary with physical capital. I should have mentioned that before. Another factor that explains the rise in the earnings of college graduates over time from 1980 was the rapid accumulation of physical capital, where human capital, and people have shown this, is complementary with physical capital. Right? Low-skilled workers are substitutes for physical capital generally. Now there are some examples of physical capital that complements, that are substitutes for human capital too. So if you were a very skilled typist in the past, that's not so important anymore, the word processor and the like. So physical capital is partly substituted for the human capital. And there are many other examples of that you can get. But in general, physical capital and human capital complement, so the growth of human capital. So this demand function, location, or productivity level is technological change biased toward more high human capital, which people have argued, as I said. So function forces determine the location. And I'm going to deal with shifts in that location. That's the demand curve. So I think of that as a general equilibrium.